Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Grindr registration error. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Grindr app right over here. As soon as you've done that, this is how your Grindr app gonna look like. So now what we have, the problem is Grindr registration error. So why would that happen is, if you have already registered yourself and if you are keep trying to do that, that can cause the error. So make sure you're trying to register from your previous account if you have deleted one, and a new if you already have account with that information. Other thing, you have to make sure that your app is updated, because if it's not updated, then it will simply cause that issue, which way it reminds you to update it. So you're going to go to your search bar, type in Grindr, and you have to make sure it doesn't show the update option. If it does, tap on update and it will simply re-download it, and with all of the new function, make it up to date for your use, and you're good to go. That should solve your problem. If it does not, all you got to do is go back, press and hold and tap on remove app, basically uninstall it and reinstall your app, add in information and register yourself, and you will be good to go. That's all it takes for you to solve your problem. Make sure to try them all and you're good to go. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.